All right, so for this one, there are 12 inches and 1 foot. So if you take your ruler, you have your ruler here. You usually have inches and centimeters on your ruler, but one ruler equals 12 inches, which is the same as 1 foot. So remember how I told you an inch is about this much, and then a foot is about this much. So you can see that it's fairly accurate. So there are 12 inches and 1 foot, so that's something that you're going to have to remember. That's something that's important. 12 inches equals 1 foot. The sandwich measures about 12 inches long because you can see it fills up that ruler. So if we look here, it's at the end of the ruler here and the end of here. So we can say it's about 12 inches long. It might not be perfect, but it's about 12 inches. You can also say it's about 1 blank long, 1 foot long. Okay, so 12, I could say it's about 12 inches, and I could also say it's about 1 foot, and it's about the same thing. You can use a measuring tape to measure inches, feet, or yards. So measuring tapes are good because they have lots of units of measurement on them. So there are 3 feet in 1 yard. So that means there's 3 rulers in 1 yard. So remember how I said it goes across like this? You can kind of think of it as 1, 2, 3. So again, I told you that was a little bit long, and you can see that's way long, but it kind of gives you the point. So 12 inches is the same as 1 foot, and then 3 feet equals 1 yard. So 3 of these. So there are 3 feet in 1 yard. The string is about blank feet long. So if we look here, there's 1 foot, 2 foot, almost 3 feet. So the string is about 3 feet long, which is the same. That's starting to go away. Let's see if we can make that. It is about, it doesn't want to go away, but it's about 1 yard long. So if we can get that to go, let's see, 1 yard long. So you can see that there.